प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी बाय शक्ति चटर्जी. My contract number is 9204876067. Today I have given a linear equations problem. See the question here. The difference of two natural number is 6 and the sum of the reciprocal is 8 by 45. Find the product of the numbers. यानी दो संख्या के अंतर जो है दैट इज 6 है और दोनों को जब रेसिप्रोकल में सम करेंगे तब उसका आंसर आएगा 8 बाई 45. तो ये दोनों का गुण करने से यानी मल्टीपल ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज व्हाट you have to find out. So asking is multiple of two number here, that means product. So first solutions. Solutions করার আগে যা যা দেওয়া আছে লিখতে হবে. Solutions. Let the larger number be x, smaller number be y. Therefore, according to condition x minus y equal to 6. It is given. शर्त में दिया हुआ है x minus y equal to 6. Another conditions, therefore x equal to 6 plus y. This will help you. First conditions equations A1. Now second conditions क्या दिया हुआ है 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 8 by 45. Clear? Now हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं 1 by 6 plus y equal to 8 by 45. Now I can write like this: y plus 6 plus y divided by y into 6 plus y equal to 8 by 45. इसके बाद हम लिख सकते हैं 45 into 2 is equal to 90y plus 270 equal to 8y square plus 48y. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने से आपको मिल जाएगा. देयरफॉर हम लिख सकते हैं 2, इसको एक तरफ लेके आइए 8y स्क्वायर minus 42y minus 270 equal to 0. Now you make it in rough. This is rough. रफ आपको मदद करेगा. आप इतना जान लीजिए. आप पहले लिख लीजिए when 8y square minus 42y minus 270 equal to 0. Therefore 4y square minus 21y minus 135 equal to 0. And now you just do like this: when 135 into 4 equal to 540. Now 540 breaking factors, you will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 equal to 540. Please check it. I am wrong or right. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, 36 3 ja 108, 108 into 5 equal to 540. That is matching. Now you break it in a group is this and this, because there is minus 21. See, this is minus 21. Then it is possible minus 36y and plus 15y. So you will get minus 21y. Clear? it is called middle term factor. Now you directly write that you put a symbol here and this symbol bring here. Clear? Now you put directly this line 4y square minus 21y minus 270 equal to 0. This breaking is called alpha plus beta in polynomials class. Therefore, 4y square minus 36y, which is breaken here, plus 15y minus 270, sorry, not 270, this is 135. This is 135 because divided by 2 is 135. देखिए अपना गलती आपका पास तुरंत आ जाएगा. If you check it clearly, therefore 4y as common, you will get y minus 9 plus 15 as common, you will get y minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore y minus 9 is one factor, it is common factor, and 4y plus 15 equal to 0. Anything into 0 equal to 0. On that behalf, we can write either y minus 9 equal to 0, neither 4y plus 15 equal to 0. When y minus 9 equal to 0, therefore y equal to 9. And when 4y plus 15 equal to 0, then 4y equal to minus 15. It is impossible. Impossible. Clear? Therefore this is the third equation. Therefore y equal to smaller number equal to 9 and x equal to larger number equal to 9 plus 6 equal to 15, and product it is asking product of the numbers equal to 9 into 15, that is 135. This is your answer. प्यारे बच्चों, आपने देखे हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन हम दिया है किस तरफ जा रहे थे. माई एम इज टू फाइंड आउट द प्रोडक्ट. सो I clearly explain it. If you like this video, please share to your friends, put some comment. Those who has not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.